Everything seems to be right. So, away we go. Hopefully there will be less wind noise today. It is less windy, but not by a lot. The singing in the background is Nikki, who is very unhappy to be shut up, but I don't think that she's ready for a long run. So, she's locked up. You just walk, son. Nope. I know you want to get out and move. You will get your chance to get out and move here very shortly. But first you get your chance to walk and warm your legs up. That's a good boy. Dave is out on Will James, and I don't know which direction he went. And going north is going to be into the wind. And maybe we'll just try going partway north. What a good boy. Amy says she's ready to go. What do you think of this? Huh, Carolina? Carolina says, I'm ready to do that. So does Annabelle. I would like a day or two that's windless so I could just work horses all day instead of waiting for just the right moment. What a good boy. Shall we working trot? Gale, working trot. Working trot. Good boy. That little bird is a western kingbird. Every single day, you silly boy. Get over. Get over. your nice, relaxed, working trot. He discovered a whole new gear yesterday. With a little luck, we won't ever get there today. We're not going looking for sheep today. Attention now. Good boy. Doing little half halts in hopes that he will remember that I want him a little slower. I want his head up. May be a little sore from yesterday. Come here. Pay attention to me. Head up. Thank you. That's a good boy. Today to move his head around rather than micro movement, just to try and get into his space. He's not really working with me today. He's doing what I asked for the most part, but he's not as settled as I would like him to be. I had gotten the perfect working trot out of him with a slower rhythm. Today he's back to a fast one. Come here. Come here. Young man, you're working yourself into a side check. Come here. Tomorrow we're supposed to have very mild winds. And then the next 3 days are high winds. Meadowlarks. Getting so that the birds don't really bother him much. Pheasants, that's a whole other matter. They bother me too. And Brennan will tell you they're his favorite bird. Right, Brennan? Brennan and Will James encountered pheasant hearted thumping last summer. I believe that Brennan would go pheasant hunting given the opportunity. Got your head up. and you don't get surprised by things. But when you've got your head down, you do. Come here. Macro movements, trying to get into his space. I want to stay light on his mouth. There we go. No, I want you to come back. Nice and easy. Our drive today is going to be about 3 and I think it comes out at about 3 3/4 miles to go around the circle in section. Come back here, come back. Sometimes Tippy likes to go along unless it's windy like this, in which case he just stays in the house. I don't blame him. Sometimes he'll find a spot outside the house where he's out of the wind. But man, when it's blowing hard, he sure just goes right inside and takes a nap. There we go. We're beginning to get our trot back. Look out, there's a leaf